Alright YouTube, back again with the Can-Am Ryker Shadow Black. I'm about to install what I got from slingmods, the Tricled LED hand grip covers for the Can-Am Ryker. Alright, to install the hand grips, I got my 30 torque screw. I'm going to take off the side view mirrors. I got some soapy water to help me slide the mirrors, the foam grips on. Alright YouTube, so I got the mirror out. Use a 30 torque. Unscrew it. It's a little work. I kept having to turn it. Was able to pull the mirror out. And now I'm going to try to slide on the foam hand grips. Try the soapy water method. Some people say use gel hand sanitizer. I'm going with the soapy water method. Slides on quite easy. I'm going to put the mirror back on since I got a lot of soap and water here. Actually find it easier to spin the mirror on. Okay, I'm going to pause it, put the other one on, show you the finished product. So I installed both hand grips on the Can-Am Ryker Shadow Black. Feels good, nice wide grip. I use soap to put it on. I'm assuming the soap is going to dry up. I have no slipping right now, but it's hot out, so all that should dry up instantly. That's it. Hope you like my install video. Subscribe, follow my channel. I have installs, I have vlogs. Thank you for getting me past 100 subscribers. My YouTube fans, I'm trying to do what I can to the Shadow Black Ryker. Thank you.